Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here, and I am so excited to show you the new Disney Frozen 2 5-star figures by Funko featuring Princess Anna and Queen Elsa. Thank you so much to Funko for sending us and giving us the first look of the new Disney Frozen 2 5-star figures. There are actually 3 in the series to collect. We do not have Olaf because he's not available as of yet, but you can actually get these in store starting Friday, October 4th, and they're about $10 each. Let's get them open and take a closer look. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you love Disney Frozen 2 and if you cannot wait to see it in the movie theater in November. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's start with Queen Elsa. Now these boxes are really awesome. You can actually keep them in the box to display because they have a really beautiful design. And if you notice that we have some removable parts here. Now, what's really cool about the new 5-star line is that these are made for display. You can really continue the storyline with these figures from their movies or from their shows or from their comics to enhance the story features. They're a little bit bigger than a mystery mini. Over here, it looks like she's conjuring up one of her ice spells. And we have this cute little, like, I'm guessing lizard or chameleon that I remember seeing in the final trailer that they just released. Let's get her out of the packaging. Inside the box, we have a beautiful backdrop. Fall is upon us in Arendelle, and we have in the distance, we have winter. Winter is coming, it looks like. So we have her right hand right here, and we have this cute little lizard that I remember seeing on top of her little head. Let's take a closer look at Queen Elsa. They have 3 points of articulation in their arms and in her head. Add her to the story so you see that maybe she's calling for Anna, or maybe Sven, or Kristoff, or maybe even Olaf. And if we remove her right hand, here she's conjuring up an ice spell. It has like little snowflakes in it. It's translucent and it's really beautiful. And it also adds to the story. So when you have her on display, you can continue the storytelling on your shelf. To play with, if like, let's say your kid, if they may, like my son, he loves Funko. He actually plays with his Funko Pops and I'm totally okay with it. He's very, very careful. So if he were to play with these, I would be totally fine with it. They're not like chintzy, they're very, very well made. It's a testament to how important it is to storytelling with Funko. She has a brand new dress. Her hair is still in that beautiful braid. And she has beautiful details on her dress too. The paint for her face is just perfection. Let's put her right over here and let's put this cute little chameleon frozen dude over on top of her head, and we'll put her other hand right there. And just to let you know, this little rascal over here, he's not articulated. He's just like a one-piece solid figure. He's really adorable. I love the little detail on him. He's so cute. I can't wait to see how he plays a role in the story. So let's now get, wait, we could leave her on here. Oh my gosh. Let's try and do the switch. Magic trick, switch, we did it. Now we have Princess Anna. Princess Anna, my goodness. Let's take a look. I love what she has. She has like a little like rucksack or a satchel, and she has a new kind of like duster vest. I don't know what that is. And she has a beautiful new dress. Let's get her out of the box. Okay, Princess Anna also has the same backdrop. And let's get her out of her little blister pack. What's great about the figures is that you can choose to keep them inside the box. And they have that awesome like Velcro door that you can keep open or closed. Or you can just choose to set them up on your shelf. So we have this little jacket, which is like a first for me with Funko. I've never seen anything like this. And then we have another little accessory. So since she has 3 points of articulation, she's able to lift up her arms and turn her head from side to side. I love her hair. It's so beautiful. The color is perfect. The hairstyle is gorgeous. And it looks like she got a little bit of a haircut too. Very, very nice. I love the detail on her dress. We have a little like golden button over here. Even the boots have some detail. I'm really struggling to get her cloak on. It's not easy. So I'm not sure if I'm just supposed to just wrap it underneath her molded hair and keep it like that, but then it really would defeat the purpose of having this little satchel or rucksack. So I'm really trying to get it on to show you because I'm sure it's gonna look really awesome with it on. So just bear with me. Even though you are not in real time, I am fast forwarding it for you to spare you the longevity of getting her little cloak on. All right, I'm going drastic. I'm turning her head. Maybe that will help. Okay, we could turn her head all the way around. Why didn't I do this in the beginning? Let's see if this works. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Come on, baby. Yes. Yes. It looks awesome. I'm so happy that I turned your head around, Princess Anna. Okay. All right, she's totally happy with it. Can't really move her arms too well, sort of. Okay, I got her right hand up. So now we can put her little rucksack on. She's just adorable. And I just love that they can just stand on their own too. Let's get her next to her sister. What adventures, pray tell, do you think that these girls are going on this year? I can only imagine. Just from the trailers alone, we see flashbacks with their parents, them as children again, laughing and playing just before that incident, before Elsa put the spell on Anna and gave her that streak in her hair. And wait a minute, the streak is gone. I can't remember if after Frozen 1. No, I'm pretty sure it was there. Where's her little streak? Interesting. Let me know what you think of 5-star in the comments below. If you're going to be adding 5-star Frozen 2, Disney Frozen 2 5-star to your collection. Make sure you stay on the lookout for Olaf. I might be getting him as well from Funko. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna say that I am. I might. And if I do, I will definitely follow up. Stay tuned for future videos featuring our beautiful Queen Elsa and Princess Anna, showing you the rest of the new Disney Frozen 2 line. I have lots to show you. Thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you so much to Funko for sending us these beautiful Disney Frozen 2 5-star figures. They are gorgeous and they will definitely be treasured and displayed proudly. And if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and please give our video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome Frozen Fan Fest day. Make sure you check out that hashtag and see all of the creators and influencers and fans that were asked to share their figures, share new figures, collectibles, merchandise, all of the new Disney Frozen stuff coming out all October 4th in stores. Again, these are $10. Get them and get them while they're hot. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.